truckcbsales.com saying bye bye bye. Good day.
Alright, truck, real good copy. Man, that mobile is smoking, man, for sure, man. Most mobiles don't come in that good, man. That thing's doing its deal right there for sure. Hey, truck, take care. Your 351 in Florida's gonna be back quiet. Hey, Davy Crockett, say 351. Hey, Davy Crockett, 351 Sam Powell, right back.
351. Hey, 351. Crockett, Illinois, rocking on.
Hey, Davy Crockett, you're throwing it down this evening too, man. Real good conditions back this way in the southeast corner, man. You having a wonderful evening over there. We'll get back with you when we can. 351. It's back quiet.
Hi, 357. 357. Have a big old good evening down on the fire now. 357. Well, you're over there.
Got a whole bunch of stations in there, some out of Indiana, some out of Manchester and all. They still throwing it down. After the break, just like that, man. Still got Mother Nature back that way. That's great. Hey, y'all have a wonderful evening. 351 and St. Paul's rolling this gate right about now.
Hello, 351. Hello, 351. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
A018, real big numbers on you, man. We must have Mother Nature by the hand right about now.
Roger, man. I just heard you in here and put this thing on, so we're on a workbench working. I was in there. I want to say hello, man. 351 sounded real good in Tennessee. Hope you had a good 4th of July. Just want to shout howdy at you, man.
I heard that, and I do appreciate you bumping it down, hollering back this way. Yeah, I see a reflection sometimes there in your video gates. I see you working steady in the background. That's a cool deal. That's a good thing, man. I seen you've been really busy, so yeah, I seen that stack of stuff there, man. Too bad I ain't up there to help you out there, buddy. Hey, Beavis, real good copy. Have a wonderful evening. 351 in Florida, waving back quiet.
Hey, 351 in Florida. I'm going to get back busy, man. Yeah, we work while we talk. I just want to get off here. I can't stay here long. I got stuff to do. But you have a good evening, man. Your friend, I'll catch you later.
A018 there, Beavis. I have a hard time working at the same time I'm talking and shooting skip, especially when I'm trying to run a gate and I'm writing stuff down too at the same time. But I'm running one right now. A018, you check it out later. Your friend in Florida, waving back out.
All right, 351, I appreciate you. 018 Tennessee Beavis over there. Donkey stuffers, ain't no way we're listening in. Check. 1, 2.
Hey, check. 1, 2. Kick it on back. 351 trying to ease up in your radio over there.
Hello, Team 351. We got a bunch of boys outside with the wave. You feel my one. 149.
I think it said 701 or 71. I'm not sure. There's someone else. I heard that 123 was bumping it down, and somebody else bumped it down too. I'm trying to get my separator work, but I'm kicked back here listening. This gate's rolling, so y'all can check it out now. I ain't trying to politic or nothing now.
8351, I said 411, topside, Illinois. 8351, I said 411 and more. 411, break.
There we go, 411, cleaned it up there. Sometimes it just takes a little bit more. Hey, 411, I don't know if you changed anything or Mother Nature just got you by the hand, whatever the case is. Good evening time over there.
I'm just warming the ground plane station up, man. I'm just working the ground plane, getting the tubes warmed up on this side. Up in it. One more time, 351, 411, it's right back.
Real good copy there, 411. You made the gate there here at about the 5-minute mark. Hey, you check it out on 351 Radio on YouTube.
I appreciate it, 351.
By 411. Hey, take care, 411. Have a wonderful evening. We'll get back with you when we can. You're 351 in Florida, working these small watts. Back quiet.
351, you're still putting a big hammer down over 351.